CD 1, Track 28. Listen to the presentations.
So, tomorrow we're visiting the Eco House, which I hope you'll all enjoy. Before our visit, we're going to think about the subject of saving energy and how we can help the environment and look after our planet. The big question is this: what can we each do at home to help fight climate change? Rebecca and David have prepared short presentations about the sorts of things we are going to learn about at the Eco House. So Rebecca, you can begin.
Well, I'm going to talk about how the environment is affected by the way we live. The Eco House is an example of a typical family home, and it's going to show us how much energy a typical home consumes. For example, think about things like computers. When a computer is left on standby, it still uses energy although we think we've switched it off. We waste so much energy when we leave things on standby. In fact, I think we'll all be very surprised when we find out how much energy we use at home. They're going to do an experiment for us at the Eco House, but David is going to talk about that.
Okay, thanks Rebecca. Over to you, David.
Okay, a question to begin. Do you know what uses the most energy in a house? It's the heating and air conditioning. At the Eco House, we're going to see an experiment. On one day, the temperature in the house is set at 23 degrees centigrade. The next day, they turn it down to 19 degrees. The difference in the temperature is small, but the difference in the energy is enormous. They want us all to realise that it's better to wear extra clothes to keep warm than to put the temperature up really high. This is one of the ways we can save energy.
How much energy can they save by reducing the temperature in the house?
About 25%. And that's by reducing the temperature by just 4 degrees.
Okay, thanks, David. I'm going to turn my heating down this evening. Right. Now we're going to talk about how we're damaging the Earth's atmosphere. Okay, let's discuss recycling. Does anyone want to begin? Perhaps we can start with